Good morning, children. In the previous video, we have learned about the disadvantages of friction. Coming to the advantages of friction, friction is required everywhere. Without friction, there is no life, there is no universe, there is no objects. To make an object, so chalkpiece is there. It is made up of chalk powder. Chalk powder, it must be fixed to one another, and there is a frictional force which binds them together. There is a force of attraction, there is a frictional force which combines the molecule by molecule, molecule by molecule to set into a long chalk piece. There is a duster. So this duster, the molecules of this sponge molecules are arranged in a systematic order. Without the arrangement, without the proper attachment of the molecule to molecule, so it is not possible to have. So to matter to exist, friction is required. Friction is required for existence of matter. Friction required for existence of matter. Okay, so second thing, to hold, to walk, to run, to sit, to stand. For every activity, you need the friction. To eat, to grind, to digest, okay? To even for the things to be excreted, the sweat, okay? The unwanted things to be extracted, you need friction. Without friction, it cannot be caused. The digestion process, everything requires the friction. So, always friction is a compulsory, okay? It is a compulsory in our part of life. Friction, without friction, there is no existence of matter. When there is no matter, there is no life. When there is no life, nothing is there. So, like that, friction is a compulsory one. Friction requires all these things. Then, how to provide friction, necessary friction? Sir, my hands are good, but I am unable to hold. So, that means your hands. You might be observed the players playing the kabaddi. They will be, now and then they will be taking some sand and making their hands coarse. Okay, the coarse material, the sand applied, okay, make their hands to be rough. Whenever they catch the rider, they will be able to catch the rider firmly. You are trying to break the log of sticks using axe. So your hands must not be smoother, they must be coarse. So that coarseness will be provided by just, okay, applying some dry soil to your hands. That coarseness will be obtained so that you can catch and break it easily. And similarly, in your daily life, so you might have observed there are grooves to your shoes. Let us say this is your shoe, you will be having the grooves over the shoe. Okay, so like this. So what are these grooves? These grooves will provide you friction. Okay, that is, they will improve friction. On the tires, you will be having the grooves over the tires, or like this. Some design will be kept to the tires. Lorry tires or okay, whatever the vehicle tires, if you are seeing, so they will be having the grooves, and these grooves will provide the friction. If these grooves are not there, if you are applying the brake, then there is a chance of skidding of the vehicles. Your motorcycle tire, if you observe, the tires are grooved in order to increase the friction. So when you apply brake, all of a sudden it will be stopping over there. If these grooves are not there, what happens when a fast moving body, when a brake is applied, the upper bar, okay, it skids on the surface. There is a chance of skidding. So in order to avoid that chance of skidding, grooves are to be made. You can make your surfaces groove, or you can make your hands coarse by applying some things like this. Similarly, you can also reduce the friction by using applying some powder. Applying powder to reduce friction, for reducing, okay, reducing friction, applying powder. Carom boards, we will apply the boric powder to make it smooth surface. Similarly, you will apply face powder to appear smooth. Okay, and in some cases you will apply the lubricants. So lubricants are the grease or oily materials which are applied between the ball bearings of your cycle, bearings of your machinery, bearings of your fan, everywhere where the rotations are required. So lubricants are used. Okay, so grease and oil substances are the major lubricants which are used. Okay, they will reduce the friction. And coming to the other one, some locations we do use the water also as a lubricant. Thank you. In this topic, we have discussed about the advantages of friction in our daily life and what are the ways to increase the friction and what are the ways to decrease the friction. To reduce friction, we apply powder or lubricants, or we make the surfaces smoother by smoothening the surfaces. Same way here also, by making the surfaces rough or hard, okay, rough, we can increase the friction. Making the surfaces smooth, we can decrease the friction. Thank you.